everyone, today I have a Fiat Punto with squealing brakes. Now, the reason I kicked the wheel was because it was stuck in place. The only real cure for squealing brakes, assuming the brake pads have plenty of life left in them, is to just take the brake pads out and put copper grease on the backs of them on the metal contact points. So what I'll be doing here is taking out the brake pads and blowing out the dust and putting copper grease on all those points, and that should cure the squeal. Here I'm wiping any caked dust off the brake pad before I put the copper grease on. Now while I was doing this, somebody else blew the dust out of the caliper and we didn't get that on video. Copper grease all over the back of the pads and any points of the pads that contact the metal in the caliper bracket, and some grease on the pins is a good idea too, because it allows the caliper to slide back and forward. I'm going to cut the video here and skip to where we have the caliper back in place. Clip back on now, and you can see all the copper grease on the back of the pads. Oh yes, and the copper grease did stop the squealing on this car. The car is still a heap of junk, but it went out with nice quiet brakes. Don't forget to pump the brake pedal to bed the pads back in. Some copper grease on the back of the alloy wheel may stop it from getting stuck next time round. That's all, folks. Thanks very much for watching.